why they asking no longer iPhone, and how come? Because I realize I'm grown. It's better than the iPhone. Where is that? You guys can guess I left it at home. Better than the iPhone. It's the Incrdible, so you better get home.
For us who are in the snowy blizzardy stuff.
Yeah.
We're in Sioux City, Iowa, so we're getting hit hard right now too.
This is my first video ever in the Midwest, and you can see that it's blowing in every. This is what we have to do in the Midwest, clean these off. And this ain't a problem you want to have in a blizzard. When in doubt, follow the plow. People are getting stuck.